Choi is ideal for stir-fries and as a healthy side dish for most of your meals, yet its recipe can be a bit difficult if you don't know what you're doing. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to Tasty Food for You, and today we'll be presenting you with Pak Choi and how to easily make it at home. Make sure to stay until the end of our video to learn the best way to make your own Pak Choi without failing. And also subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more tasty content like today. Without further ado, let's begin with our countdown. Pak Choi is actually a Chinese cabbage that doesn't form heads and has green leaf blades with bottoms instead, resembling more mustard greens than your average type of cabbage. They are very popular dishes in southern China and southeastern Asia, and they are also winter hardy, which is why they have earned quite a lot of popularity in Europe. Pak Choi and Bok Choy are of the same plant. It is a leafy green Chinese cabbage which mostly grows in Asian regions like the Philippines, China, and Vietnam. As a type of cabbage, Pak Choi is filled to the brim with antioxidant properties. It's also rich in fiber, which helps protect your body and fight against cancer-causing agents. The fiber of the Pak Choi helps clean your bloodstream by eliminating the bad cholesterol in your blood. It's also filled with a lot of vitamin C, which is perfect for boosting your immune system health. This helps you when fighting the common cold and flu. On top of that, Pak Choi contains even more vitamin A and carotene than the cabbage or the cauliflower. 100 grams of Pak Choi are just enough to meet your required daily intake of vitamin A. On top of that, Pak Choi is also rich in vitamin K, B-complex vitamins, calcium, and iron. Pak Choi finds great use in cooking, as it can give most dishes a crunchy, sweet taste. So now, let's talk a bit about some cool, easy-to-make, and nutritious recipes with Pak Choi. Steamed Pak Choi. The easiest and fastest recipe for Pak Choi is definitely the steamed Pak Choi, which is also a low-fat dish that most people will enjoy as a side. To make it, first cut 3 heads of Pak Choi in half lengthways. Steam it for 3 minutes or until it wilts. Next, dress with sliced red chilies to taste, or you can also add it to another dish as it is. It goes perfect with duck and most types of chicken. Pak Choi coleslaw. Who said coleslaw was only carrots and white cabbage? You can make your own version of coleslaw by adding thinly sliced Pak Choi to it. Whisk vinegar, oil, sugar, mustard, and salt in a large bowl until the sugar dissolves. Add bok choy, carrots, and scallions. Toss to coat with the dressing, and there you go. You can make this in less than 15 minutes, and it tastes delicious. Finally, if you want something heavier, then we recommend you try out the mushroom and Pak Choi stir-fry. Start by putting the mushrooms in a pan with water enough to cover them and proceed to boil them for 15 minutes. Take them out of the water, but don't throw the mushroom water away just yet. Slice the mushrooms to ribbons and put them away. Also, slash the Pak Choi and add some butter or vegan butter in a pan. Stir-fry the champions to butter them, and then add some beans. Pour spoons of the mushroom water in the pan and keep stirring it for around 10 minutes until the water has completely reduced. Add the Pak Choi leaves, and there you go. It's ready to eat and tastes fantastic. So, what do you think of Pak Choi? Will you be adding it to your next dishes? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to leave us a like if you found this recipe useful, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more great content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.